injury to a ligament that connects two or more bones at a joint. A sprain is mild, moderate, or severe based on whether your ligament is stretched, partly torn, or fully torn. The most commonly sprained or strained joint is the knee. Approximately 1 million ankle injuries occur each year, and 85% of them are sprains. Causes of sprains. Sprains usually happen when a person falls, twists, or hits in a way that forces the body out of its normal position, that causes the joint to move out of its normal range of movement, tearing or stretching the ligament. Situations that may result in a sprain include walking or exercising on an uneven surface, landing awkwardly from a jump, pivoting during an athletic activity, landing on an outstretched hand during a fall. Skiing injury or overextension when playing racket sports such as tennis. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the most common workplace injury requiring days away from work were the result of sprains, strains, and tears. Sports injuries. Sprain is the most prevalent injury compared to all the other injuries during the training of a sports event, which accounts for about 21%. Symptoms of sprain. Signs and symptoms may vary due to the severity of injury, but the common symptoms include pain, swelling, which can indicate underlying inflammation within the joint or within the soft tissues surrounding the joint, bruising, instability, especially noted on weight-bearing joints like the knee or ankle, loss of the ability to move and use the joint. Parts which are at most risk for a sprain. Sprains occur in both the lower and upper parts of our body. However, the three most common at-risk area include ankles, wrists, and knees. Sprain management and treatment. In the first 24 hours after a sprain, doctors have you do a treatment called PRICE, which stands for Protect the injury with a compression band or a splint. Rest your injured body part by limiting activity or not putting weight on it, for example by using crutches. Ice the injured area with an ice pack. To lessen pain, the doctors will tell you to take an acetaminophen or a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug NSAID such as ibuprofen. Apply ice every few hours for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. After 2 days, use a heating pad for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Depending on the joint involved and severity of pain, sometimes surgery is needed to treat the sprain. Prevention of sprain. People can help to prevent sprains by strengthening the muscles around joints, warm up properly before exercise,